tripping on bricks and glass. A couple of days ago, I was on the Graham, Stephan, and Jack podcast called the Ice Coffee Hour.
I'll get you a mortgage in less than 30 days that you can say no to. I'll get you a mortgage in Vegas that is less than 3% that I will present to you, and you can feel comfortable saying no. And you can then go, all right, I'd rather watch you do it. I come to Vegas a dozen times a year. I'll come up, let you walk through the property.
I would do that.
You watch me as I do it, and then I'll present you another one. And you can say no to that one too. And then the third one, you'll go, dude, why didn't I just do this? If I found you a deal, would you do a deal?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna find a deal.
And I challenged Jack to partner with me on Subto deals because these guys were so intrigued that I could buy deals in their own backyard right here in Vegas using no credit, no cash, and no credentials. And here we are, guys, at right in the heart of Vegas. This is a deal I bought subject to, use zero cash, zero credit, and zero credentials, subject to. So let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show Jack and Graham Stephan that not only can I buy properties like this, but I want to partner with them. I challenged them on the episode to partner with me. I said, I'll find the deals, I'll fund the deals because I bring in private money, and I'll let you guys partner with me to show your audience on the Ice Coffee Hour that you can buy properties right now in 2023 with 2.99% interest rates attached to them. So not only did I buy the house, but I bought the interest rate that came with it. So let's go into the house. I'll show you how clean this property is. I'll talk about the exit strategy. Exit strategy just means what am I gonna do with the property? How am I gonna make money on it? Let's talk about the interest rate. We'll talk about the payment. We'll talk about everything inside the house. It's a little windy out here, so might as well take a step inside here. Really clean. Here's what I want you guys to pay attention to. Am I gonna have to renovate this property? No. Am I gonna have to spruce it up? I think so. So here's what the payment is. Remember, I'm not using any credit, cash, or credentials. I bought this property subject to. If you wanna learn what subject to is, type in paste Morby subject to in YouTube and you'll get 1,000 videos that we've made about what subject to is. Essentially what we did is there was a homeowner that bought this property with a VA loan. That VA loan means they didn't put any money down when they bought the property a couple of years ago. And now, after the market has softened a little bit in 2020 or 2022 due to interest rates rising, that seller tried to sell their property to no avail. An agent had this property listed for a long time and ultimately was about to lose the listing until we came along and bought the property subject to. By the way, if you guys ever come into Vegas and you guys want to have some tacos, we just went to Tacos El Gordo. Check these out. These are like legit some of the best tacos I've ever had. We have El Pastor and we have carne asada tacos. Unbelievable. So this property, rent ready. This property is ready to rent out. How much money am I going to be out of pocket? I'm going to tell you guys what I want you to do along the video. I want you guys to make comments down below and see who's the closest of how much money out of pocket I will personally be on this deal. So interest rate, 2.99%. Payment on this property, $1,647 per month. Now, I'm going to pay a mobile notary $250 today. Eric will get some B-roll of us doing that. Or maybe we could even do a whole YouTube video about what a mobile notary does, how much money they make. Actually, that'd be a great YouTube video. Wouldn't that be a cool YouTube video? Like how much money does a mobile notary make in a day? Because you make $250 for like doing a 15-minute signing. I want to know that. So stay tuned for that video. Then I paid two of my students, Kevin and Brian Cow, $10,000 for bringing the deal to me. That is one of the coolest things about this is that not only am I getting a deal with no cash, no credit, no credentials, and you're wondering like, Pace, you said you're paying Brian and Kevin $10,000 for finding the deal. I'll tell you how I did that with no money out of my pocket at the end of the video. So $10,000 to Brian and Kevin for an assignment fee. And the coolest thing about this is that two brand new Subto students joined Subto, my community, and Brian and Kevin helped them get their first deal. So this is a first deal for one of my brand new students here in Vegas. Brian and Kevin have been in my community for over 2 years, so they're pretty seasoned. They know how to close deals. So those brand new students brought this to Kevin and Brian. Now, although Brian and Kevin are experienced, they are also freaking knuckleheads. Why? Well, because look at this. I'm tripping on bricks and glass. Today, we came to the property. I got a private invite from Steve Harward. Said, Pace, I'll pick you up in my jet. fly into Arizona, bring you to Vegas for the day, get you on Dave Meltzer's podcast, get you over to Brad Lee's office, go see a bunch of our friends, let you visit some of your properties today, and then I'll get you back home tonight so you can sleep in bed with your beautiful wife and your daughters. So we came over here to film with Brian and Kevin and said, hey, let's talk about the house that we just bought from you guys. We get all the way to the house and they go, oh. They started doing the Macarena and they looked for the keys and they forgot the keys. So what we did today is I said, I don't have time, man. I got to get back to the Win. I got Dave Meltzer's podcast. So we decided to break open the window.
No, don't do it, don't do it. Are you really doing it? Yeah. No, stop. No,
yeah.
Actually,
you guys forgot the key.
So what is somebody? Ah! Oh!
So I can't jump. Oh, Eric, be careful. There he is. There he is. Please tell me these will unlock. Yes, we made it in.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Okay, cool. You never broke a window before? That's going to cost me a couple $100s as well. I think personally, I'm also going to have to. If you're a tenant, Eric, would you want to have me clean the carpet or would you want me to replace the carpet?
It looks clean.
It looks clean. I think just clean it, right? Like there's some footwear here, but I think you just clean that and it's fine, right? Okay, so I think we clean it. I don't think we do anything in here. I think we keep it as is. Carpet in there looks fine. Shower in here looks fine. This is really, truly rent ready. Now, here's the challenge with this property. This property will not cash flow as a traditional rental. So my payment is $1,647 a month. I have an HOA and I have a solar lease on the property. So my all-in expense here, even with some allocation for vacancy repairs, I'm about $2,000 a month for this property that starts kicking in about 2 weeks. Now, I can only rent this property for about $1,800, which is a problem because I need to make cash flow in order to justify buying this property. So what am I going to do? I decided today that I'm going to rent this property by the room. And as you can see, there's actually 3 bedrooms in this house. I'm going to rent each bedroom for $850. The primary bedroom, probably $900. The secondary bedroom's probably $800 or $825. So that we'll be cash flowing after $825, your $1,650 plus $900. So your $2,550 per month is what I will bring in to the property. I'll probably net cash flow about $500 a month on this property. A little bit more management for the first couple of years because now I have 3 tenants to deal with, but this is not the first time I've done a rent by the room situation to justify cash flow. So this property will bring in $2,550 a month by renting out the rooms. You've got a good sized bathroom here. One thing I really don't like is I don't like that there's carpet in the hallway, like coming in from the garage. I think that this would get torn up. You know what I'm saying? So it's almost like, do you just justify spending the money now, or do you wait until maybe 2 years, let them tear this up, and then that's probably what I'll do. I'll come in here, clean that up, and then I'll let them tear it up, and 2 years later, I'll replace this with like linoleum or something else. So let's go through the numbers again. $10,000 to Subto students, Kevin and Brian. $5,000 to the sellers. $7,000 to the real estate agent. I paid a real estate agent their commission. So when you guys hear things like agents and Subto is not possible, guys, a Subto deal right here with an agent, they got paid $7,000. We went through a title company. We got title insurance. We went through WFG title in Vegas with Debbie and Maureen. And then the 2 students who it was their first deal, they got paid $6,000 on the deal. Pretty amazing. Now, the list that this was called on was the low equity VA list. You guys can pull this list on Privy. You can go to startwithprivy.com. I think if you use the code PACE, you can get a discount on that. Now, I will hold this property in my LLC. I have an LLC here in Vegas. I use a company called Prime. You can go to startwithprime.com to get access to them setting up LLCs. They set up all my LLCs. They set up the LLC that will own this property. And let's see here. I will cash flow $500 a month. My total amount of money out of pocket is how much, Eric? Have you been keeping track? It's $0. I will come out of pocket $0 on this property. How am I going to do that? Well, I will bring in either a private money lender who I make a monthly payment to for borrowing all of these costs, or B, I will bring in a private money partner, somebody that brings money to the table and partners on the deal with me, where I bring the deal to the table, they bring the money. The amount of money we're going to have is $10,000 to students, $5,000 to sellers, $7,000 to an agent, $6,000 to another set of students, and $4,000 to the title company. And then I'm going to say an extra like $2,000 for miscellaneous things like the window I broke, etc. So we're 10, 5, 22, 32. So we're about $35,000 all into this property. And this property will cash flow $500 a month. And more importantly, this property will bring me $36,000 in tax advantages by buying the property. The cool thing is it's got a washer dryer. It's got really great, pretty easy. This is a simple house. Great fridge, stove is gas, backyard has no maintenance whatsoever. I love this house. This is like one of those houses I could own for 30, 40 years and never really have to deal with it. Like this tile is neutral enough that I don't have to worry about ever replacing it. I think I'll replace the carpet in 2 years or maybe just do linoleum everywhere and never have to worry about this ever again. Pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing that I can go buy a property like this. I never had to talk to the agent, never had to talk to the seller. I basically trained students to bring deals like this to me. Those students got paid a finder's fee for bringing these deals to me. They didn't have to have a license. They didn't have to have any money to do this. The agent got paid, whereas she wouldn't have been able to get paid if she went the traditional route. The seller was able to walk away from the property. I got a 2.99% interest rate, whereas the average person right now is getting 7, 8% interest when they're buying a house like this. So Subto is the greatest strategy on the planet. And when people tell me, oh, this doesn't happen, Graham, Stephan, Jack, guys, I'm standing in a property right now, property address, just for you guys that need to see it. Bought this property, look up public records, we own it. So if you guys want some resources, we always have free resources in the comment section, not the comment section, but in the description down below. My team will make sure that we give you guys a bunch of freebies like, access to Privy, access to Prime. We've got a bunch of multifamily trainings we have down there that are completely free. And if you guys want to know what Subject 2 is, my team will put a link on the screen as well to show you guys, hey, here's a video that you can go to understand what Subject 2 is a little bit more in depth and how does this strategy work. It is very simple. We go through a title company, agent, etc. So really appreciate you guys following us on another episode of The Real Deal. It's one of my favorite series that we've done. In fact, this was the series that started our YouTube channel. So we'll continue to bring these to you guys as we build this YouTube channel. If you guys need any questions answered, please make a comment in the section down below, because Eric and myself, as we travel around the country, we will answer those questions better and better and better as we make more of these videos. We'll see you guys in the next video.